Hold on. Okay, it's recording.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're gonna go run. Come on, let's go.
Come on, baby. Mom, stop. Come on, Nina.
Here, you do the recording.
Huh?
Here, you do the recording.
No, you do it.
No, Lisa,
I was doing it before. Come on, Nina. Come on, let's go.
I know how to record her. Just,
It's already recording.
I know. You record her.
Why?
Because you're not good at it.
Not good at what?
Making her move.
Oh, she's
See?
moving now.
See, look at her. This is because I was handing it to you.
Yeah. One time.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Look at her go. She's such a little champ. She's probably gonna piss right in the same spot. Look at, she found her pee.
Can you hold it?
No.
Why?
Because I want to be in the video. Come on, Nina. Come on, Nina.
Here, you hold the camera.
No. Go.
Oh no, they're fading. Gotta go. Nina, come on. Here.
Oh, I have to hold her. She's lame. Are you gonna run with her?
Nina, come on.
Look at her going in this person's driveway. You gotta run after her. Oh, get the thing from underneath her leg. She's gonna piss right on it. That's good. I like how she always finds a hump to pee on.
Look at little baby Nina steps.